You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the two views that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection. Now, when you hear the word isometric projection, the first thing you have to do is to draw your isometric axis. You draw your vertical axis this way. Can you see that? And you draw your x and z axis this way. Hope you can see that, right? Now, after doing that, the height given here is gotten from the elevation. And where is the elevation? This is elevation. Why? Because it is in first angle projection. The symbol you see up here means it's in first angle projection, right? Meaning the elevation is always on top of the plan. So from the elevation here, the height is given to what? 40. So I am going to measure 40 from this distance here, from 0, right, to 4. That is 40. Now this next thing is the length is given to be 72. Also, we have 72 from here to here. Now, how will you know how the length will be placed? Since we are given point A, making that point A will be at this point here. So you're going to measure from here 72. So if point A is here, it means that what is where my length will be. So 72. So from 0 to 72. This is 72 here. Right? And the width here is given to be let's see, 40 also. So I'm going to measure 42. So from 0 we have 40 here. So I will now project this point. I'll project them upward with the help of my t-square and what? And z-square. So this will be going up. This also will be going up. And this, the way I did here, I'll also come here and I'll do the same thing here too. And I'll turn it the other way around too. I'll do this point too. Coming here too. I'll do the same thing here too. And I'll close it up from here. Hope you can see what I have come out with, which is this. Now, the next thing is we'll start from here to here. Since this is my point A, so from here to here is what you're seeing on the screen. Is from here to here. So I am going to what? Ticking it from this point straight down to this point here. Now, from here to here is from here to somewhere around here, which I am also going to what? Ticking also out there from this point. Hope you can see that. And from here to here is from the plan from here to here. Look at it from the top. Are we good? Now I'll measure the thickness. This is point A, and from point A upward is what? 14. So I'm going to measure 14 upward from this point here. From here, from 0, this is 14 here. And I'm going to what? Ticking it. And that's on this point here, ticking it up. Can you see that? And instead of me measuring 14 again with the help of my instrument, except you don't have your instrument, you just take your same place on your t-square this way, and you measure 14 from here. I mean, you connect this point to this point, and you close it up here. So you're looking at the thickness here. There's a thickness, means whatever you do, the plan is telling me there's a straight line. and the elevation is telling me what I do at point A, I must do it on top here also. Now I'll also measure from here to here, which will be from here to here, and that is 14, looking at it from the plan here. So I'm going to measure 14 from this point here. So from 0 to 14. So I'll just taking it once and for all. Right? And I'll use my faint line and I'll bring it down a little bit. Right? Where I'm going to use this, I'll close it up here. As you can see, to stop here. Then I can now close here down this way. Then I'll close here too. As you can see from here, it's sticking to the plan, looking it from the top. Then here also. Hope you can see that. And also I'll close here up too. Now the next thing is I'll bring it down this way. Then take here also with faint line this way. But whatever I do here, I'll do it at the other side. But it's solid, so all this side will not show from this side. So now, then I can easily close it up this way, faint line first. Can you see what I've done? Now the thickness here is from this point to this point from the plan is 40, meaning that I'll measure 40 from here to somewhere around here. Look at what I'm about to do. So I'll measure 40 from 0 to 4 is 40. Then I'll close it up this way. Remember, I'm using my set square and my T-square hand in hand. So I'll just close it up, faint line first. Are we good? Now I want to get the center of this figure here. And the best way I can do that is to join diagonals, any of the diagonals. I can decide to join these two diagonals here. Look at what I want to do. If I join this way, somewhere around here, I'll join these two this way too. You see that? So where they meet here, that is the center of that figure. So I'll use my set square and my T-square hand in hand this way. I'll just draw a vertical line this way. Now once I've done that, this is where it touches this point here. And the thickness of that line is what? Is 18. You can see it from here to here, 18. So I'm going to place it at this point here. And I'll measure 18. So 9 to the right and also 9 to the left, which I am going to thicken. Can you see that? Then I will come here also. I will now take this point from here, right, straight down here. Then here also is not going to the top. So it means that if I draw my vertical line here this way, faint line first, from that line you can see from the diagram here, this line is telling us that what? The height from here to here is what? Is 20, meaning that the height from here to here is 20. You can take it from any angle here. So if I just take here up a little bit, and I take here up a little bit, so it's telling me that the height is 20. So I'm going to measure 20 from 0 to 2 is 20. Hope you can see that. And now taking it. So I only need one line to get the remaining line. If you are using your instrument, it's easier to accomplish that feat. Right? So if I should place it this way, from here, I can take it here. Hope you can see that. And from here, I can take it here. Right? And from here, I can take it here. Then here, I'll take it up. here I'll close here too, and here I'll close here too. And I'll close here too, and I'll bring it down just to complete the solid. The solid, so every point is closed. So you cannot take it down here because this block you see is blocking the line. If you are to do anything, it will be just an hidden line. So here also, I'll just stop here. That is hidden line there. So here also, I'll just stop here. So this is what we have. And don't forget to like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share if possible.